Our original aims and objectives were to gather together an international group for knowledge exchange to extend current thinking about immersive experiences. We held 3 salons to investigate methods of how to create engaging environments. Our team were chosen specially to reflect a wide range of practice and theoretical backgrounds, from fashion, theatre, contemporary art, industry, curation, dance, game design, interaction design and computer science. The idea was to generate a number of proof of concepts using somatic knowledge, notions of embodiment, and choreographic thinking to integrate the core themes of memory, place, and performance. I decided early on to invite a disparate group and not develop a single project, and allow more than one experimental project to develop in order to cultivate a rich dialogue. The first salon was held in Dundee at Abertay University and focused on memory. Each of us led a morning session, giving each other's tasks alongside movement and drawing classes. The second salon, at the Centre for Dance Research in Coventry, looked at place, where we spent day-long sessions online, together in social VR spaces. And the third salon took place at my studios in London, where we concentrated on performance. Our proof of concepts include restricting a dancer in order to observe small movements in response to the simple visuals controlled by others, experimenting with wearing the hand controllers on the feet, considering the potential for augmented reality costumes. Prototypes include a toolkit where a skilled improviser can jump into different bodies playing all the NPC roles for other players. These players undergo a LARP-type adventure controlling characters in scripted scenarios. Another where users move through procedurally generated datascapes. UN export data is used to invert the paradigm of legible and controlled data access. What we learnt. To test our concepts, we held 2 open days with our partners, one in an academic setting at Ravensbourne University, and the following day at a performance venue, Siobhan Davis Dance, where the public could come to experience the work. Almost everyone who came to these drop-in events stayed for the whole day, and this was not what we expected. We really feel that people were absorbed in their experiences, and what we had on offer really gripped them, including the curious experiment where you wear an uncomfortable costume and your viewpoint is controlled by 2 others. How do we plan to develop our project? Since our open days, the project has been presented at Xenoform Labs in San Francisco, Stanford University in Palo Alto, DIGRA in Turin, and the Data and Society Institute in New York, amongst others. To follow on, we are developing a full-scale mixed reality performance event with fashion designers, gallery curators, and industry partners. We need a kinetography for VR, and this is where the research lives. Our bodies, crucial. We are living archives. When we are engaging physically, we are thinking and perceiving differently. Our approach is innovative, eccentric perhaps, and provides unique insights that are novel and awkward, looking at the notion of immersion and how to tamper and fiddle with this in order to take risks and get somewhere new. Here we have my co-I, Darshana Jaiman, who is from Abertay University in Dundee.
And I noticed when I was in India recently that their embodied interactions with technology, and particularly games and games kind of like experiences, are very, very different from what we have here. So a lot of the kind of like theoretical approaches that have been developed take that as some kind of normative experience and then assume that other parts of the world have that experience. But if you have a really blue sky project like this, you can start to explore how different people's understanding and embodied relation to technology kind of works. And that's where I'd like to see this project going.